In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a bill as paid in QuickBooks Online. Managing your expenses effectively is key to keeping your business finances in order, and QuickBooks Online makes it simple to track and update your vendor bills. Whether you've just sent a payment or need to adjust your records for a past transaction, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to ensure your bills are correctly marked as paid in QuickBooks Online. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. To begin, start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your main control center where you can access all of your financial tools and data. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Expenses option in the navigation panel. This will take you to your expense management section. Next, you'll need to select the Bills tab at the top of the page. This tab will display all of your vendor transactions, including both paid and unpaid bills. Now, locate the specific unpaid bill that you want to update. You can use the search bar or scroll through the list to find it more quickly. Once you've found the bill, look to the right side of that bill's row. You'll see a small caret icon, which looks like a down arrow. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Mark as Paid. This will take you to the bill payment screen, where you can input the necessary details about the payment. On the bill payment screen, the first thing you'll do is select the payment account. This is the account you use to pay the vendor, such as your bank account or credit card. After that, set the payment date to the exact date you sent the money. This ensures your records are accurate and align with your actual payment history. Next, choose the payment method you used. For example, you might select check, bank transfer, or credit card, depending on how you paid the bill. If applicable, enter a reference number, such as a check number or a transaction number, to help identify the payment later. Now, verify the amount to pay. Double-check that the amount matches the actual payment you made to the vendor. If the amount needs adjusting, make the necessary changes here. You can also add a memo if you'd like to include any additional context or notes about this payment. Before saving, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. Confirm the vendor name, payment account, payment date, payment method, amount, and reference number. This step is crucial to ensure everything is accurate before finalizing the payment. When you're satisfied with the details, click Save and Close to record the payment and link it to the bill. After saving, return to the Bills tab and confirm that the status of the bill now shows as paid. This indicates that the payment has been successfully recorded in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to make changes or add more details to the payment, you can revisit the bill payment screen and update the information as needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.